Overlooking the stunning Lake Conjola in the southern parts of New South Wales, Holiday Haven is a pet-friendly, accessible cabin. Kangaroos are plentiful in this spot. Immediately to the left of the accessible cabin is the designated accessible parking spot. Overlooking the lake, enjoy a barbecue that is glide under, wonderfully accessible. There is a rubber ramp on both sides, which makes it easy to traverse. A very sizable living and dining area. This air-conditioned cabin is 2 bedrooms. You can see that the kitchen is nice and lowered and a glide under sink. Microwave is within reach as well. There is a second bedroom, which is perfect for families. The master bedroom is very good for circulation space if you are a wheelchair user, with widened doors. The bathroom is nice and open plan shower with very good drainage. You have the option of a freestanding height adjustable shower chair or the wall mounted shower chair. The amenities are conveniently within reach and you've got an adjustable shower nozzle. To the left is the accessible toilet. The rails run all the way through, as well as a glide under sink with a lowered mirror and easy turn tapware. And you can see that the hooks are nice and lowered here. Enjoy this truly beautiful and serene location, which is Holiday Haven Lake Conjola on the south coast of New South Wales. Look with us and book with us.